So that's the thing. You have that in mind, then you can go ahead with your creativity. You can go ahead with in the way you are trying to attract customers, or you're trying to get people to read through your blog or anything, right? So you need to have a motivate, what do you say, emotional connect. So call to action by special newsletters. So yeah, like you said, make a free giveaway prominent in your design. Go minimal in the sense, don't have like overload of information. Make sure you just stick to the main important points to be highlighted. Don't sound very promotional. Don't go ahead and overdo things. Don't play around too much with colors. Keep it sober and simple. That is the best way out. Design your page in a way that gives prominence to your form. All right, so boost your design with images. You definitely want to include, you can just, maybe we can just pull up a quick example of what newsletter would look like. Let's just say we go to the H&M newsletter. Okay, so then we'll get a fair. And yeah, the same thing if you are, let's just look. So yeah, like I said, when you want to write anything, get down to, looking at references in the same field. Now, if you want to prepare a newsletter for an automobile company, so make sure you look at newsletters from an automobile company. So you see the way the newsletters are, not too much of information, a lot of white space. If you see on all of these, a lot of white space, and this is very sober and very beautifully put up together, right? So this is a great example. So here, if you see, there's table of contents as well about H&M. This is by a portfolio, someone's portfolio history, right? So which is great. And if you look up this again, probably, yeah, this is from Pinterest. So even on Pinterest, you can prepare your portfolios. H&M campaign, it's on Twitter. Just look at this. There's all of the new collections, something. So you see, most of it has a lot of white space. It's not boring. It's classy. It's very peppy. If you have too many colors included, no, it kind of doesn't go out very sophisticatedly. So now let's just look at a newsletter for an automobile. Or let's just look at a Nika newsletter. It looks very fresh. Everything placed well, good color coding, right? So you look at some of these examples, and you should definitely go ahead and prepare a newsletter. But make sure when you are having your newsletter, you also come up with a great CTA, like a 2-line as in why I need to subscribe to your newsletter. So that's pretty much a good example. Now let's look at another one, which is BMW newsletter, right? So you see, most of it, be it for any industry that we've picked from, everything has a lot of white spacing. So this is just to get a complete idea. Yes, so blend sharp copy with flawless design for the user options. Make your form leap off the page. So basically, for more details, visit the link. You can go ahead. Let's just pick up this link once. This is for preparing your newsletter over Canva. Even when you go directly to Canva, you have a number of options and templates that you need to go ahead. You can either prepare a poster, a flyer, or you can just say newsletter, magazine. You have various number of 10 highly effective trends in newsletter. The main thing is make a free giveaway prominent in your design. It's only then that they need to go ahead and they would go ahead and subscribe. Free, the moment you read something free, people are really fascinated. Get 15% off. So everywhere you see, there's something there for you. Terms will help a person in need. Go minimal, right? So you can go ahead and create one newsletter. So the main thing is keep it simple, effective, giveaway, have some giveaways to your audience who would go ahead and subscribe, and make sure you have a great recall value. They need to remember you, so make sure you do not sound too promotional. Just use it as a way to kind of interact and engage with the audience.